Ready to take control of your entertainment career? If you're an aspiring entertainer, you know that success in this industry is more than just talent. It's about strategy, branding, and making the right connections. But how do you navigate this complex world without a publicist? Introducing DIY Fame, Navigating the Entertainment Industry Without a Publicist by Ebony Caldwell. DIY Fame is your step-by-step guide to mastering the entertainment industry independently. Written by industry expert Ebony Caldwell, this book gives you the tools you need to build a lasting career on your terms. Chapter 1, Introduction to DIY Fame. Learn why self-publicity is crucial and discover who this book is designed for, whether you're a musician, filmmaker, or content creator. Chapter 2, Establishing Your Brand. In Chapter 2, dive deep into branding. Define your unique identity, craft a compelling brand story, and learn 25 essential tips for standing out in the entertainment industry. Chapter 3, Marketing Fundamentals. Marketing is the backbone of any successful career. Chapter 3 breaks down the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion, so you can set clear goals and reach your target audience effectively. Chapter 4, How to Get Publicity Without a Publicist. Ever wondered how to get media attention without hiring a publicist? Chapter 4 teaches you how to build relationships with the media, write press releases that get noticed, and leverage online platforms for self-promotion. Chapter 5, Social Media Strategy for Film and TV Promotions. Social media is a powerful tool for promotion. Learn how to choose the right platforms, create engaging content, and analyze metrics to refine your strategy in Chapter 5. Chapter 6, Event Marketing for Movie Premieres and Festivals. Planning an event. Chapter 6 covers everything you need to know about event marketing, from collaborating with influencers to maximizing media coverage. Chapter 7, Celebrity Endorsements and Partnerships. Thinking about celebrity endorsements? Chapter 7 shows you how to identify the right celebrities for your brand, negotiate deals, and leverage partnerships for maximum impact. Chapter 8, Influencer Marketing in the Music Industry. Influencers can help amplify your brand. Chapter 8 provides 20 tips on finding and collaborating with influencers, so you can build authentic relationships that boost your career. Chapter 9, Brand Integration in Film and Television. Brand integration is key to visibility. Learn how to develop partnerships and successfully integrate brands into film and TV projects in Chapter 9. Chapter 10, Digital Marketing Strategies for Indie Films. For indie filmmakers, Chapter 10 offers digital marketing strategies that help build an online presence and engage with film communities, turning your passion project into a success. Chapter 11, Merchandise Branding for Music Artists and Bands. Merchandise can be a powerful revenue stream. Chapter 11 covers strategies for creating and selling compelling merchandise that builds brand loyalty. Chapter 12, Audience Engagement Tactics for Streaming Platforms. Engagement is everything in the digital age. Chapter 12 teaches you how to create interactive content and build a community around your work on streaming platforms. Chapter 13, Content Marketing for Entertainment News and Reviews. Content is king. In Chapter 13, learn how to create valuable content that resonates with your audience and leverages SEO to enhance visibility. Chapter 14, Conclusion and Next Steps to Success. Finally, Chapter 14 recaps key strategies and helps you create an action plan to achieve your DIY fame. Stay adaptable and use the 50 tips included to unlock the secrets to self-promotion and industry success. Build your legacy on your terms. DIY Fame, Navigating the Entertainment Industry Without a Publicist, isn't just about gaining fame, it's about building a creatively fulfilling and financially sustainable career. Get your ebook copy today and start your journey toward independent stardom. Order now and take control of your entertainment career. Visit www.publicitybrandpr.com.